How you can apply free shares promo code in Trading 212. So all you're gonna have to do is to open your Trading 212 active account, and once you are here in the right down corner area, click on free lines. It's gonna open you your settings, and you have to scroll down and find use promo code. So enter promo code and enter here your promo code or my promo code, which you will find in video description, and you will get free shares up to $100 or euros. Also make sure that the campaign is active. If you click on get a reward here at the top, as you can see now it's not active, but it was active about a week ago, so it will get, or we will get, another campaign soon. So it works mostly for new users. If you want to get free shares, use my link. And if you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.